Hello guys, and welcome back to the apartment renovation. Today was a really good day. The workers did their job from 8:30 a.m. until now, until 5 p.m. So further works were done to the bathroom. More adhesive, more material was placed on the walls. So you can see most of the thing here is plastered. Here is the shower tub, if I can call it like that. It will take all the water down like that, and then hopefully from that part again towards this side, so from the sides and from the wall to the drain. So this is just the base layer. It will have an angle up until the 1 meter and 20 centimeters mark, and then it will be straight. The boulder has been taken out from the toilet drain. Next week, hopefully Monday or latest Tuesday, my drain will for the entire bathroom will arrive also. The walls have been plastered further on. So everything here, the ceiling, the kitchen as well, another layer of material has been added, so you can imagine how today the main worker did his job. The entire kitchen area also, so you can see there also. I mean, they worked really well today, like no other day. Also, it was a full day for me because I start to purchase the parts myself. So you can imagine how they asked me to purchase one thing and another. I bought, if I'm not mistaken, 7 ferro valves, and I don't know how to call these things. They are the two ways, the ones that take the water in and out of the radiators from ferro. I wanted to spend a bit more. This also has included a thermal sensor, but I see they didn't install them in the radiators. I don't know if these parts will be not included. And what I purchased more are these Calefi automatic derators. So they take out, they are manual and automatic at the same time. I didn't even knew. I thought they were just a simple, let's say, simple aerators that you need to manually turn the wheel without needing further that, that special key to take out the air from the radiators, and from that hole the air would get out when you adjust this wheel and then close it. But these are also in the same time automatic aerators. Once you manually turn them to the left, then when you close them to the right, they will take out the air all by themselves. You will not have to do anything else. I found them at Romstal in my country, in my town, for 30 lei, or let's say how much that would be. I mean, like 6 or 8 US dollars each, on discount, from almost double the price. So this is really cool stuff. I bought 7 of them to replace all the old ones from my radiators. Here's how the old one looked. So you can imagine you would need a screw or a special little key to turn that thing. So compare that to this. Also the plumber took the measurements specifically for, you can see how professionally this time they marked the entire axis and placed 4 standoffs for each radiator with chemical anchor from Sudal in all of the holes that were drilled. So they were really professional. Also, they replaced these valves from Ferro. I was expecting, honestly, here to be that large piece, but I'll guess we'll see, because they didn't finish everything. Maybe tomorrow they will take out this piece and install the other one. But even so, I mean, they did a really nice job. I had to purchase also like 15 pieces of this copper pipe, so the corners for 18 millimeters. But yeah, this stuff is really nice. When I see Ferro, I'm all the way in, and they were like with $4 US more than a really cheap component that was also Italian, but they didn't look any way near like this one do. So they are really nice. I'll see if they will install this. Hopefully, yes. So, let me put it back. And here in the bedroom, the pipes were placed also. These radiators are placed only for testing, for measuring the place where the pipes will be, and after they will test the they will put the entire system, all the radiators and all the pipes. They will take them down for the other worker to do his magic further on with the paint. And you can imagine this time is the first time when I will have in my bedroom copper pipes all over this exterior wall. So this will form a wall of heat, of warmth, not only on that side where the small radiator is placed now, instead of that wall there. So now the heat will come from both ways, there and there. Not to mention that it will now heat this corner that was the one problematic with the mold and the moisture everywhere on that place. Here also you can see the chemical anchor inserting inside, and it also has a specific smell. So yeah, you can see the pipes are up at 10 centimeters, so it's really a nice job done. Not in a rush, without cutting corners, or simply making a bad work, simply a mockery. So yeah, this is about it, guys. Two of these pipes, I bought them myself. I was wondering if they will fit in my car. They went in just on the maximum distance. Tomorrow the plumber will come back and finish the entire work, and this will be about it for the first stage of preparing the radiators and all the heat system. I bought another chemical anchor, so this is the one from Sudal, recommended by my dear friend Hirayama, which again I am eternal grateful to. Before him I didn't even knew this thing existed, and you would be amazed how many so-called workers have no idea what this is. You can see it's so strong, it can keep even 1.4 tons if of course the screw and the other beam, let's say, can hold that, because this chemical anchor will. And yeah, the bad thing is that you need a lot of this stuff, of this plastic nozzles. They are only a single-use item. After you use them once, you have to throw them away, because when the anchor, the chemical stuff, hardens, you cannot possibly clean that ever again. And they didn't have this in stock in Horbach, and I'll have to make another trip. But yeah, it's really nice. Can't wait to see this natural stone mosaic placed. Some again consoles to attached to hold the copper pipes. Yeah, and also I bought this solder stuff. I always have forget how stuff is called in English when I do these videos. Hopefully you can understand. So yeah, it's used to solder the copper pipes. This stuff is really expensive. I mean, I bought the hardest one, the most expensive one, but still it is expensive. Just some solder metal. What this stuff is, it's really a lot. And yeah, this is about it. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I wish you to have a beautiful weekend ahead. Take care wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye guys.